During my trip through Italy, I met 94-year-old Nonna Maria in a small village known for its many centenarians. She shared a few of her family recipes with me, and over time, I'll be sharing my own slightly adapted versions with you here on my channel as part of my longevity series. We're starting with this incredibly delicious salad that I lovingly call Crispy Cecchi Love. And even if you've never really been a salad person before, you absolutely need to try this one. This is not your average salad. This is salad on a whole different level. So let me show you how it's made. The drained chickpeas need to be rubbed really dry and baked for 10 minutes without any marinade first. This step is important because it helps them absorb the seasoning better later on and makes them extra crispy in the oven. For the marinade, I love using my Butcher's Blend seasoning. It's one of my 7 favorite spice mixes that I already shared in another video here on the channel. All of them are packed with flavor and can completely transform even the simplest ingredients. And the nice thing is, this chickpea marinade works beautifully with all 7 blends, so you can easily switch things up and create different flavor variations. I'll link the spice mix video for you in the description below. As soon as the chickpeas come out of the oven, transfer them directly from the baking tray into the marinade while they're still hot and mix everything really well. Now they go back into the oven for another 15 to 20 minutes until they're beautifully golden and crispy. Spread them out loosely on the tray so the heat can reach them evenly from all sides. While they bake, we'll prepare the rest of the salad. There's a little bit of chopping involved here, but honestly, this salad tastes so incredibly good that I never mind the extra few minutes. And while we're here, I'd also love to ask you for a quick like and comment if you enjoy this recipe. Your support truly means a lot to me and motivates me to keep creating more videos for you. And don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss any future recipes or upcoming parts of this series. Nonna Maria usually leaves the white inner peel on the orange because of its pleasantly bitter flavor. I normally do the same, but this orange is already very ripe and the peel comes off almost by itself, which would feel a little distracting in the finished salad. The lemon zest adds such a beautiful freshness to the salad and pairs perfectly with the crispy chickpeas. Of course, you can use any feta you like, but these days I almost always use my homemade vegan almond feta. It's incredibly easy to make, naturally rich in plant-based protein, and full of flavor. And the best part is, it freezes beautifully, so you can always keep a few portions ready to go. I already shared the full recipe in a separate video, and I'll link it for you in the description below. The dressing is wonderfully simple. Along with mustard, salt, and pepper, I also add 2 tablespoons of my homemade dressing blend. It's inspired by traditional oxymel, a classic mixture of honey and apple cider vinegar that has been appreciated for generations. My version is made with maple syrup, apple cider vinegar, and turmeric, and I usually prepare a larger batch in advance. I keep it in the fridge and use it little by little over time. Just give it a shake every now and then. And honestly, the flavor gets even deeper and better over time, almost like wine. If you don't want to prepare a larger batch, you can simply mix 1.5 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar with half a teaspoon of maple syrup for this salad. Now all that's left is to toss everything together, plate it up, and enjoy. I really hope you love it, and I'll see you in the next video.